You want a few more things we can plant in February? Well, let's take a look. Of course, we're going to stick with our cool weather crops. Get a couple more brassicas going. Let's get our broccoli and our cauliflower started. And we're also going to start some celery. And for good measure, we're going to go ahead and put in some leeks. And whatever you're going to use as a container, go ahead and get your soil in there. Make sure it's snug down. And by doing that, you can make some indentations. Be perfect for the seeds. Now these are little. And all the brassica seeds are going to look exactly alike. Little round balls. I'm only going to drop 2 in each one of these cells. We're going to save the rest of these seeds. The leek seeds are quite a bit bigger, not as round. I am going to go ahead and put 2 in each one of these also. And the celery seeds are tiny. Actually, I only have 3 seeds left, so I'm going to put 1 in each one of those cells. And we'll see what we get. So then just, since you've already got a dent, just kind of cover that over. If you don't have a big area for a garden, a couple good things that go really well on a windowsill, radishes and lettuce. And you can plant those right now. As long as they get enough sun, they're going to grow just fine. I'm going to set that aside. And then I'm going to plant a bunch of. We did the same thing. We put the soil in here. Just snug that down. Now I am using these seed trays with the little rubber bottom on there. That way I can push these up real easy. But I'm going to plant a bunch. We're going to plant a bunch of peas. And get these going, and I'm only going to put 1 in each cell. Put these along several trellises out there. And those are a little bigger, so I'm just going to come back and backfill on top. And I've got another tray that's got a few more cells in it. We're going to plant these just as soon as they germinate, so I'm not worried about these cells being a little smaller. With the exception of dropping more than 1 seed in each one. Kind of get away from you. As long as they have good soil contact. Give these a little drink of water. And we'll come back this evening and put a little piece of plastic over them to hold the humidity in there. But we're going to let these set for right now. And there you go, our next set of February planting. But check this out. And in our planter box, we do have the giant cabbage that came up. But I planted one there, and it's coming up. Got one there's coming up, and one right over there's coming up. So all of these seeds, they germinated. But I still only see one of the Japanese cabbage back here. Got quite a few beets that have come up. So sometimes it just takes a little time. Talking about time, look at these other seeds that we planted. Now on this side of this raised bed, we planted all this lettuce, and I thought it was goner, but it's germinated. We got a bunch of purple lettuce coming up right in here. Pretty exciting. One of the reasons I like to plant onions from bulbs is they come up really quickly. And if the weather holds, I want to get another round of carrots and beets and Swiss chard into the ground. Hope you join me for that. You can do this too. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.